Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, thank you so much. Please consider subscribing, and I hope you get something out of it. So this is going to be an unboxing and swatching video that I did for a little mini haul I got at, of course, my favorite local nail supply store, Gemini Cosmetics, and their website is GeminiNevada.com. Nevada's spelled out. So I just picked up a thing of miasecret acrylics. I needed that for the olive green. I had a request from one of my besties, and I liked all of the tones in that kit, so I went ahead and got that. I got two American Nail things. One was hard gel and one was acrylic powder. The acrylic powder is super like pink, like bright pink, and then still like kind of that see-through bright pink. Like it reminds me of those pink and whites from the 90s, and I've been searching for that for like a year. So highly recommend that if you like that look. And of course, I am an ambassador with American Nails, so don't forget to use my discount code if you do purchase something with them. It's Bunny10. You can enter that in at checkout. And then I also had got some small sample size cuticle oil jars that I could give out to clients. I just had got a couple to see how I like them. I did end up really liking those, and I got like a 20-pack from Gemini. Unfortunately, they stopped selling the 20 packs, so I have to kind of make a decision when I run out of these, which I'm almost out. But I need to make a decision if I want to get like just a bigger package of those, or try something else. So now I'm opening up this American Nails hard gel. It was in soft pink. You can see when I move it around, it's a medium viscosity. Definitely not a builder gel. It's more of a self-leveling. I haven't really used that American Nails hard gel yet. If anyone has used anything from their company, please comment below and let me know what product it was that you used and if you liked it or not. This is the acrylic that I was talking about. Highly recommend this to somebody who likes that 90s pink and white vibe where the pink was like super pink, but still kind of see-through. You can kind of see it when I open that up, like along the edges. I don't know if you guys caught that. There you go. You can see how pink it gets. But yeah, and again, don't forget to use that code Bunny10. And I think I am getting set up now to do the swatches. I'm gonna go ahead and put this into fast forward, and I'll be back. Alright, so finally getting into the colors, starting off with that olive green, of course. And I'm not sure if I said it already, but these are from miasecret. This one was called Jungle. Definitely a super pretty olive green. They are pretty small jars. But for someone starting out, you know, it's definitely a good buy to kind of just get your collection up. I can say I am being more particular now than even I was before on what kind of products I buy to put onto people's nails. I definitely don't mind getting the cheap stuff off AliExpress and Wish and things like that. You know, Model 1s as far as gems, stickers, you know, things like that. But as far as actual acrylic monomer hard gel that's going on the natural nail, I'm definitely getting more picky with that and starting to realize I only like to buy things coming from the United States, just because you don't really know what's in this stuff from China. They don't have regulations like we do in America. And so that's definitely something I'm considering more and more now. I definitely do need to look into miasecret, and actually, you know what? I'm gonna pause from the video real quick and just go check it out. I'll be right back. Okay, so totally went off topic here, but here's a picture of the package. It's definitely made in the United States. It says out of Los Angeles, California. So that's amazing. It's super cheap product. I'm definitely gonna ask my local nail supply store for an SDS sheet on this. I'm very curious what's in it. I'll do a little bit of research and I'll post whatever I find in the comments, or I mean in the description, so you guys can see. But at any rate, back to the video real quick. If you guys, I'm not sure if you can tell or not, but these colors do come out super chalky, and they were getting stuck in my brush a lot. So that is one thing that you want to be aware of when you're trying to, you know, save money and build your collection. You know, when you're getting cheaper products, they may end up gunking up your brush quicker and things like that. So it is kind of like a give and a take. So just be aware of that. I inserted the picture of Zebra. That's the gray bluish one that I just swatched. And now we're looking at Bunny. It's funny, I bought this before I knew my name was going to be Nails by Bunny Bear. Oh my god, I was having trouble getting this one open. So I just sped that up a little bit. This one definitely looks more of a pure gray tone instead of that gray blue of the last one. Like a grayish brown. And getting into the next color, it's going to be Foxy. There's a still shot for you guys. I seem to have problems getting into this one too, but it looks like another gray tone, more on the blue side. So comparing this one to Zebra, which was the second one I swatched, it's definitely a more pure gray and a lighter gray. I would say they both have like those blue undertones to it, but it's definitely lighter. And I believe I show a close-up here, just so you guys can kind of see that comparison. But they are pretty similar. So you can see right there. Definitely a good pack of colors. You know, I definitely was drawn to that color palette, but they are super chalky. Right here, it looks like I pull back out Bunny. I just kind of want to get a little bit more swatched on that. I tend to do really small swatches. Just a cheap ass. Look how little I add to that. I swear I cracked myself up. Okay, so let's see. All right, moving on to the next one. It's gonna be Koala. And I just sped this up again, because who wants to see me sit there and pick at that for 2 minutes? This one looks super light, so like a super light tone gray. It still kind of seems like it has those blue undertones. Definitely keeping with the rest of the collection. And this last one is going to be Kitty Cat. It's definitely the lightest of the 6 in the collection. Still super great toned. But I'm curious to know which one is your guys' favorite out of the 6. I think mine is still that olive green. It's honestly just what attracted me to the collection in the first place. I definitely love all the gray tones in the collection, but I think that olive green standing out to me. Comment below, tell me what your favorite was in the collection. Let me know if you've ever used these colors before from miasecret. I'm sure all of us have used miasecret before. So let me know what you think about the company. I obviously didn't know that much. So I'm definitely interested to see what your guys' feedback is on it. Alright, you guys, I'm going to swatch this American Nails pink. Again, if you go to americannails.com, make sure to use my code BUNNY10 at checkout. Just another way to save a couple more bucks. Alright, you guys, so I think that's it for the swatch video. As you can see, I didn't do much on that last swatch. If you want to see a better one, just let me know in the comments. I can maybe do like a short video of it. In the meantime, if you want daily content, don't forget to follow me at Nails by Bunny Bear. You can also find me on TikTok under the same name as well.